Yo, what's up, everybody? Today, I'm gonna be seeing what I could do. Some car stuff. Should be getting my car back from body shop next month, so I want to start, getting everything ready. We got all this nice weather now. It's getting nice now. First, I need to fix this registration, man. Freaking got a ticket for expired one. Like, I had mine right here. Come on, bro, why you giving me a ticket? So I gotta fix that and fight it. Hopefully they'll drop that. I haven't had time to take this off. But I think what I'm gonna do today, probably drop off my tranny transmission so I could install LSD on it. So I'll see after I finish this. Here at the garage, pick up the tranny. Oh my god. Wow. Bro, I just realized I forgot to bring the LSD with me. What a fail. I gotta go pick that back up. Nice. Oh man. It's a mess right now. Gotta start clearing this thing out. My car's supposed to be in here. Look at all this stuff. I hope I can lift this thing in my car. Alright, so 2 hours later, had a little mess over here. You don't even know. I thought it was empty on the oil, and it wasn't. It all a lot of it spilled out. So, this oil spills on your floor. So if you have some kitty litter, that helps dry it up. So everything should be out now. About to load it up. Getting ready to drop it off to the tranny. I don't have any brake cleaner to clean this. It's all oily. But let's not waste any more time. If you guys didn't know, this is the transmission drain plug. And all you need is a ratchet. You can tighten it up and loosen it back. Can't really clean, it's all oily, but it should be good. Just cover up this hole just in case any more wants to leak out on the way. So I'm on my way back to my house. I forgot to pick up the LSD. And we can finally get going. There's probably gonna be traffic now. I wanted to do this earlier, but what can we do? Alright. Didn't forget the tranny. LSD this time. Just got back home, picked it up. There's probably gonna be so much traffic right now, man. I wanted to do this earlier. It's already 3:30. Traffic is gonna be crazy. Got some stickers. warranty card. There it is. Need to put this thing down. This thing's heavy. Alright, let's get out of here, man. We stuck in a lot of traffic. Just dropped off the tranny, Chameleon. This Chameleon's tuning shop in Long Island. I'm actually gonna get my car tuned over here when it's all back together. Good news, he actually might drop it off to me. He said it'll be done tomorrow, but I won't be able to come back till next week, next day off. No, I'm off tomorrow, but I'm not trying to come back tomorrow. But whatever, he said he could drop it off to me this weekend, so works out for me. Now, hopefully, there's no traffic heading back, but got hungry. About to this pizza. At the garage, finally. Man, I'm tired. That drive out there killed me. Coming back wasn't too bad. It wasn't that much traffic. I mean, there wasn't any traffic. So, I think I'm gonna end this here. Pick up. Okay, litter. I'm done. Come back tomorrow. Clean up a bit.